Barron Point Ford Bronco Rear Bumper Installation Guide. Remove the original rear bumper screws. Unplug the wiring harness. Remove the rear bumper. Detach the original rear bumper radar and wiring harness. Install the radar bracket on the rear bumper. Adjust the radar position. Apply buffer stickers. Cover with the lid. Align the bracket with the hole positions and install. Install the side brackets. Secure with bolts and nuts. Reinstall the original trailer hitch at the bottom, fixed with 3 bolts. Mount the rear bumper and adjust. Reconnect the wiring harness. Adjust the side bumper for horizontal alignment, then secure with bolts. Install the side pull tabs. Tighten the screws at both ends. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Barron Point.